What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the set of CJ's First Cooking Show. I'm CJ. Behind this camera is Nate. Right
Hello.
over here is Ethan. And you, my friends.
Whoa. He goes,
Hi.
hi.
I like to play.
I like to play.
Last week, Nate
Okay.
had a recipe that he made on his set.
No.
You called it the blue chicken.
I called it delicious because that's what it was.
It had blue cheeses in cheeses.
You can't
cheese
even say
in
it. You can't even
I can't
say
even
the
say
word.
the word blue cheese because it's so gross. He made it. It was a
The
decent burger.
cheese was blue.
The pen is blue. The pen is blue.
During the shoot, you can actually go back and watch the video. I had the idea, why not do that style sandwich, chicken sandwich by the way, but instead of using blue cheese, that we are going to be using cheddar. So I came up with the idea of the Better Cheddar Chicken sandwich, which is what I'm gonna show you today. So, before we get going,
Whoa.
be sure to like and subscribe. Do
Before you watch this debacle.
that. Debacle? You've never said that to me before.
Did it really? That stung a little? You're what is it? You're gracious and sweet and everyone.
You're good enough?
There it is.
You're
There it is.
smart
Give
enough?
it to me.
And doggone it.
People like me. Let's ring it and bring
Yes.
it. We will see you.
Yes. No! No!
No! No! No!
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Cooking Show.
We've got some thick rights. Thick. The thick right. Bacon.
You all right? You
All right. Am I right or all right?
Am I right or am I right or am I right? Right.
We went to different.
Or,
I've
all
never
right,
put those
all right.
Alright.
I want to go ahead and get like 4 or 5 pieces of bacon, mainly because sometimes
Just
there's
go
an
for
error.
6. Do 6.
Okay, we're gonna do 6. And I'm also gonna be using that bacon fat to cook my chicken in.
Liquid gold. It's
Go! Full disclosure. I've never made a chicken sandwich like this before.
No.
I
and you-
never
Look at you, all grown up.
isotoner gloves.
Isotoners.
What the?
What? Incarnation?
Did you do that on purpose?
No, I didn't. No.
You did that on purpose.
I bought 2 left gloves.
I feel like the penguin right now.
The shiny flipper.
Ah. That's better.
Like a glove.
Again, I've never done this before, but this is what you did on your cook, so I need to do the same thing.
You're saying you're doing my recipe wearing my gloves. Are you giving me credit? It's fine if you do. I mean,
I acknowledge. I actually don't need the gloves at the moment. I need to actually get to my cheese.
all of that.
And we didn't even need it right
Whoa, wait a minute. You're mixing the shredded cheese into the chicken?
then. Yeah. Well,
How are you doing that?
Well, dude, you did that with the blue cheese. So, yes, I'm gonna shred up some. What I've got here is mild cheddar, not sharp. Don't do sharp. That's a giant catastrophe. We're gonna go ahead and shred that up, get that prepared to go in our bowl of our already.
So you're mixing the shredded cheese into the chicken.
Into the chicken.
Okay.
Yes, that makes perfect sense. I'm gonna season this up as well with some bootleg burger.
bootleg.
Bootleg, and I'm actually gonna
Bootstraps.
do bootstraps.
Bootstraps.
A pinch or 2 of coarse black pepper, and then gonna mix that up and get these into these strange-looking chicken balls.
Strange-looking chicken balls.
Well, they're like sticky and weird and odd. They're just not like beef, which is why I probably don't cook with this much. Now, if you wanted to, you could double this recipe, just get a whole lot more of this shredded chicken, or actually
Shredded chicken.
Look,
Sticky chicken at this point, guy.
sticky. Ethan, I'm calling it audible. I need your help. Quit doing what you're doing. You're gonna slide my bacon.
Why are you
out of the
asking
way.
Ethan to help?
Because I've got sticky hands, man.
Is this a Frasier free-for-all?
Yeah, just grab them and slide them. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to use that bacon fat to fry my chicken balls, not to be confused with Christmas sweaty balls.
Sweaty balls. Good times. Good times.
Even if you're not going to use the bacon, which sounds blasphemous,
That's insane. Why wouldn't
having
you?
bacon fat to cook in as a medium for your heat is brilliant because it gets really hot before it burns.
All right, so now that I'm done there, gloves are going
The
off.
gloves are coming off.
Gloves are coming off, baby.
Yep.
Gloves are off, boys, which means whew, we have earned ourselves a decent bell break. Thank you. There. Oh, jeez. Now to get our chicken patties smashed down, we're gonna be using some parchment paper and a Blackstone,
Oh, I love
what do we
that
call
smasher.
it? Just a smasher. It's a smasher. How do you know that? Because it smashes.
Smash.
Once that's down, we're gonna let that start to cook and give it a flip when we start to see that you're
See
getting
what? See what? See what?
a Maillard reaction.
Say it again.
Maillard reaction.
Do it again.
Say it again.
Maillard reaction! And so we're gonna get that nice crisp exterior, give it a flip, and we're seeing some beautiness on all sides. Now here's what I also wanna do. Once I do my first flip, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this shredded cheese right on top.
doubling up?
So this sauce is a simple one. I worked out this delicious little scientific experiment in my kitchen last night. We're gonna do one dollop.
there, Bill Guy.
Hey,
Bill Guy.
Bill Guy. Bill Guy, the science guy?
Excuse me, Bill Nye the Science Guy.
So we're gonna do one healthy dollop of Duke's Mayo. Following that, we're gonna do a big O splash of the Blackstone Carolina
Technical term.
Tangy Sear and Serve. A small dollop of Frank's hot sauce because I wanna get a little bit of heat to this. And then we're gonna sweeten this up with some sweet relish.
No thanks, Turkish.
I'm sweet enough.
Was that loud in your ears?
Right, my headphones.
My bad, dude. Actually, not my bad. You're the idiot that got that close to it, so you're bad. Sometimes while we're shooting, I feel like I should call somebody, but I have nobody to call. But you know,
What?
if that phone did work, who would you call?
Or who would call you?
Good question. Hey, CJ, did you know?
What Bill Murray says when Slimer goes through him in the first Ghostbusters.
Oh, wait a minute. When he goes through him?
In the hallway.
Yeah, and Bill
He
Murray
goes
comes
through
up.
him.
And I can
On
see
the
it, and
spot.
he's on the...
Yeah.
You got me.
That-
I don't know.
Hit me.
Well, everybody thinks it's I've been slimed since that's what came out on a whole bunch of merchandise when the movie came out. But in the movie, he says he slimed me, and in the movie, they never say I've been slimed at all.
Wow. It's like that one thing with where you think, yeah, the Mandela effect, right?
Yeah. That's why it's safe here on BJ's first cooking show.
That-
RJ,
No.
SJ, MJ. Yeah. That's a good looking pretzel bun.
Yes, they are. I didn't realize that these were not already pre-sliced. So make sure to take note of that when you're searching for your pretzel buns to use for
To
this.
buy pre-sliced?
Or just to, at the very least, know. I mean, this is going to save us so much time if these were already sliced,
Yeah.
right? Like that entire 20 seconds.
You know what else is obnoxious?
What, dude?
Why can't you just put all the tops with the tops?
And the bottoms with the bottoms.
The schnozberries taste like schnozberries.
Snozberries taste like snozberries.
I always wanted to see a blue duck.
I wanted to see a blue duck.
For the
That
peanut
bread
gallery.
burns. I'm gonna be so upset. Romaine lettuce. You could do one giant chunk, or you could do the right thing and cut up the romaine lettuce. Go ahead and get rid of the top. We do want to shred this up. Get that into nice little bits and pieces to make a bed for our chicken sandwich. Then we've got some tomato, red tomato to be
Red.
clear, as opposed to other tomatoes.
Yeah, purple tomatoes. you
Yeah,
know.
slice up those purple tomatoes and set those aside and get ready for building. All right, boys, let's grab our buns. Now, those are off. Yeah, you guys stay there. I'm gonna grab our bacon as well. All right, let's do this. Let's make sure we've got all of our bottoms. All
You know,
right.
if you'd put them in order.
Hey, just mind your P's and Q's, Buster.
Remember who you're dealing with.
Obviously, let's go down with a little bit of sauce right here.
I like the texture the relish adds.
Yeah, those little flecks
Nibs?
of little nibs of greenery, and it's sweet greenery, which is even better. Now, on top of that, we're gonna go with some shredded lettuce. Now, once you get that nice bed of shredded lettuce, top that with a little slice of tomato. Go back to the griddle,
Dude,
get your chicken patties, which are
these
cooked
look
to perfection,
ridiculous.
with a delicious melty cheese. Bring that back to the table, get your bacon, cut it into 2 pieces, slide it on top, add a little bit more sauce, top her off, and Bob is your uncle. It is your uncle. Yours, not yours, because I'm your uncle, and I am not Bob. Let's talk about this sandwich for a second.
Dude.
Perfect everything. I think I'm gonna let the eating of it speak for itself.
You're gonna have to go full anaconda. That's a beast.
All right, here we go. I'm really
Whoa.
sorry to tell you this.
No, it's not. Okay, sorry. I'll let you finish. I'll let you finish.
So much better than yours
No.
was. The special sauce is a rock star. Just know that.
Let's recap. Chicken, cheese, hot sauce, sweet relish, pretzel bun, pickles, Hang on a second. Because you made fun of me relentlessly, yet here we are. Look how the turntables have...
Well. How the turntables...
If one were so inclined, a pickle or two.
Now
It's
grown up.
It's complete. This is freaking awesome. But leave it in the comments below. Do you like your sandwiches with pickles or not?
I'm a pickle guy.
I'm a pickle guy too. Apparently I forgot. And so did Nate. I can't believe I did that, by the way.
I can.
Leave it down below. What are your preferences with your chicken sandwich? But speaking of comments,
Are we
it's
there?
that time.
We made it.
We have arrived.
You've made it.
We're basically at
Welcome.
like, the summit of K2. We're there, man! It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Congrats, you made it to the summit. You crossed over the hump of the mountain and you're on your way back
You
down
got your $2.
to a valley, a deep, dark valley where you will cry yourself to sleep on a huge pillow.
He'll be crying himself to sleep tonight on his huge pillow.
All right, so this is the part of the episode where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Oh, you write it.
We read it.
Them's the rules.
And this is how we play that game. In no particular order. I read the comments. You, the viewers, get to enjoy the delightful, the delicate, the distasteful comments. Some are mean, some are nice. So, let's get down to business, shall we? This first one comes from Marv. Marv says, viewers are disgusted with your nonsense and tomfoolery. But I like it. Carry on.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He caught me off guard.
I
Marv.
know. You thought, nope.
I apologize.
Nope, you thought wrong. And this next one comes from JD Selby 1.
Selby 1?
Or Sell Me 1.
Sell me one.
I already sold you 2.
Well, oh, wow.
Wasn't that bad?
JD Selby 1 says, a, quote, post dust is kosher to any entree, like, do you have any Grey Poupon? Good call, CJ. Yes, you are correct. Post dust is always a must. Oh, this is fun.
Uh-oh.
This comes from Judith Thomas.
Hello, Judith.
Judith says, this video is impossible to watch. Having fun is fine, but it is too distracting when it's fake.
Huh.
Fake?
What's fake?
What is fake about this?
No, Judith.
My cup's empty. See, that's what Judith does.
That's what Judith does.
She empties your cup.
Dang it. How do we get back? Can we force bell that fills our cups up? These are not the empty cups you're looking for.
Ring it! Yeah.
Just...
Whoa.
I am one with the force is one with me.
I'm one with the force, and the force is with me.
Power of the
with
bell
the
that compels ya.
The power of Christ compels you.
We went all over the place with that one.
This next one comes from Compliance Safety Consulting.
No.
I promise you.
Okay.
Compliance Safety Consulting says, you're an acquired taste. It takes a while to like it. LOL. Keep it up.
Okay.
Uh-huh. There we go.
We are in compliance.
Here's to being an acquired taste and in compliance. Oh, this is great, dude. This comes from Starless Beat. This is actually going to wrap us up.
Starless Beat?
Starless Beat.
Sounds like a really good, like, DJ.
As in B-E-E-T.
Oh, never mind. Sounds
This-
like Dwight Schrute's cousin.
Bad joke.
This guy has to be someone's son to get this gig. He actually can't
man.
cook. He just burned everything.
Ouch.
Oh, Starless Beat.
Don't talk about my son like that.
How dare he?
How dare he?
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wrap it up on CJ's First Cooking Show. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com to find this recipe and tons of other. Also, go to griddlenation.com where you can get awesome swag like this, hoodies, stickers, shirts, whatnot. Also, don't forget to go check out Betty's show, Todd's show, Nate's show, Destination Delicious, and Bruce the Alligator Man Mitchell
So
with
many
On
shows.
the Bayou. But in the meantime, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook
And we quote.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We will see you guys in the next episode. Or maybe not, because this might have been the last time you watch my show.
It's the next episode.
Sky!